Hey guys, my name is Ingrid.
Hey guys, my name is Joanna.
And welcome back to I Think It. I have a very sweet friend of mine visiting me from Vancouver, and she's gonna tell you a bit more how we met.
Yeah, so we met about 9 years, not 9 years ago, we met like a long time ago in school.
Probably like 12.
Yeah, probably, yeah. So we finished high school in El Salvador together, and then I moved to Vancouver, and it's always nice to come here to Dallas and visit my sweet friend.
I know, it's always nice to have you in town, and she's actually not vegan, but we've been going to different vegan places here in the DFW area, and today we'll be cooking vegan, gluten-free. She is obsessed with one food though.
Fries.
So she loves French fries, and that's why we'll be making French fries today with no oil.
It's gonna be real interesting.
We'll be making a black bean hamburger with an avocado bun. So if you want to learn how to make that, keep on watching. Let's start by peeling out the skin of the potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and use 4. For this, you're gonna cut them in tiny pieces until you can get your French fries. I actually don't cook with oil, so we're just gonna go ahead and bake them in the oven. Add as much water as possible. Add French fry seasoning. Add some pink Himalayan salt and parsley. Hey guys, so Joanna just helped us make the French fries, and we're now going to go ahead and make the bean burgers. I already got them from the store, and you can personally make them yourself, or you can get them. In my case, I was able to get some that were free of 12 of the top allergens, so I'm excited to give it a try.
Perfect.
For the patties, we're gonna go ahead and cook them in the stove. Once those are ready, let's start preparing all of the vegetables that will go inside our burger. We're gonna go ahead and add some tomatoes. We're also gonna add some onions. Make sure that you slice them as tiny as possible so they all fit within your avocado bun. Go ahead and do the same for the lettuce. And this is the curious thing. For the avocado, we're actually gonna slice it differently than what we're accustomed to, so we can use this as our bun. Scoop out the avocado half. Go ahead and slice the bottom so it stays still when you start adding all of the ingredients. You can use the skin of the avocado as a guide to cut all of the ingredients that you will be putting inside your bun. You can add the ingredients in any order as you may like, but I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the black bean burger first. Then I'm gonna add some vegan cheese. This is based off coconut because I'm not allergic to it. I will add some tomatoes, onions. Make sure that you cut smaller pieces, and if it's needed, just keep adding more. Now let's end this by adding the other half of our avocado. To serve, I would recommend you to add some French fries, add some ketchup, and also to decorate it, you can use edible flowers. Guys, so this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting to learn how to make this avocado black bean burger with us.
Thank you for having me. This looks delicious, and I'm sure we're gonna enjoy it.
And we made a few more, and I had so much fun having you around in the kitchen. So if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, all you need to do is click that red button, and you'll be able to watch all of the videos that I will upload in the upcoming weeks. I'm going to leave you Joanna's Instagram handle. Go follow her. She goes on amazing hikes around Vancouver.
Yes. Follow me at Joanna LVA and just join me in my adventures.
Yes, so go check her out, and I'm also going to leave you everything of my social media handles in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye!